Hello everyone. So we have this very common problem solving question. This is not a maths question. This is a problem solving question. Yes. So let's see how to solve this. Please look at the first equation that is given to us. Yes. Let's write it in a different way. So we have one triangle. We have one more triangle and we have one circle. This is equals to 18. Correct? Similarly, what is there in the second equation? In the second equation, we have two circles. That means C plus C. C for circle and T for triangle. Correct? And what is this shape? What is this shape? This shape is a pentagon. So pentagon is for P. So I'll write it P equals to 22. What is the third equation? The third equation is two pentagons and one triangle. That means P plus P plus P gives us 17. Okay. And what do we need to find out? We need to find out the value of 1P. Let me write it down. We need to find value of 1P plus 1 circle plus 1 triangle. We need to find this value. Okay. So this is a very common question. What to do in such questions? Please see. If I club all the left hand side, if I club all the left hand side of these three equations, club means add them up. Let's add the left hand side of the equation. What we will get? We will get 1, 2 and 3 triangles. Let me use a different color. We will get 1, 2 and 3 triangles. So let me write it down. We will get 3 triangles if I add all the left hand sides of the equation. And let's look at the circles. How many circles are there if we add all the left hand sides? We have 1, 2 and 3 circles. That means plus 3C, 3 circles. Now let's look at number of pentagons. 1 pentagon, 2 pentagon and 3 pentagons. Correct? So that means plus 3P. Correct? Now if we are adding the left hand side, we should add the right hand side also. Yes. What we will get if we club 18 plus 22 plus 17? On the right hand side, we will be adding these three numbers. Yes. 18 plus 22 plus 17. So what is 18 plus 22 plus 17? This is 57. This is 57. Okay. So that means 3T plus 3C plus 3P gives us 57. Okay. I hope you have understood till here. Now, please understand, we need to find the value of 1P plus 1C plus 1T. But we have the value of 3T plus 3C plus 3P. Correct? Now, what will happen if we divide both the sides by 3? So, let's divide both the sides by 3. Now, if we divide both the sides by 3, we will get this. Yes, that means 1T plus 1C plus 1P will be 19. Well, it will be 19. Yes, so this is the value of 1T plus 1C plus 1P. See, the order does not matter. See, we have written one pentagon, one circle and one triangle. The order does not matter because if you add 3 to 5 or if you add 5 to 3, it does not matter. The answer still remains same. So what is the value of this question mark here? The value of this question mark is 19. Let me write it here as well. The value of one pentagon, one circle and one triangle is 19. Yes. So this is the final answer. I hope you enjoyed the video. If yes, please like the channel. Please share it with your friends as well.